Replacing the ceramic release nozzle on your Metal X printer. Items you will need for this are a nozzle wrench and 7mm bit, brush pan, anti-seize lubricant, and a replacement nozzle. Starting off, we will navigate to and run the Replace Nozzle utility. On your printer's user interface, select the menu icon. Select Utilities. Select Maintenance. Select Replace Nozzles. Now ensure the area under the print bed is clear of obstructions, then press Next to lower the print bed. Select Release as the type of nozzle you are replacing. The printer will now heat the nozzle. Press Next when the nozzle is 100% heated. Select Retract to retract the release material from the print head. Doing so will ensure the excess material does not enter the threads and nozzle channel. Press Next when complete. Unscrew the release nozzle using the included wrench and 7mm bit. The release nozzle is the rear nozzle furthest from you. Caution, the nozzle is very hot. When the nozzle is completely removed, select Next. Next, check your replacement nozzle to ensure that it is the correct nozzle type. The release nozzle has 3 dimples on the alternating sides of the hex feature, while the metal nozzle has a vertical groove on each of the 6 sides. Prepare the replacement nozzle by applying anti-seize to its threads, then press Next. Allow the nozzle to heat fully. When the nozzle is 100% heated, select Next. Use the nozzle wrench and 7mm bit to screw the replacement nozzle in fully, then tighten the nozzle until the wrench clicks. Position the brush pan under the print head now to ensure that metal material doesn't extrude onto the print bed when we next select Reload. The filament should now reload and a small amount of material should extrude from the release nozzle. If the material begins to extrude, press Next to stop the process. Press Retry if the material does not extrude from the nozzle after a few moments. When the process is complete and the ceramic release filament successfully reloaded and extruded, select Done to exit the nozzle replacement utility.